Hi, my name is Veronica Sherba and I'm a product training coordinator here at Wellness Living. Today, I'll be showing you how to enable the ability to not charge a client after being promoted from the waitlist. Currently, I'm logged in as a business owner, and this new feature can be accessed by both a business owner and or a staff member. So let's start off by navigating to the app drawer. And from there, we'll select Setup. From here, we're going to go into Business and select Business Policies from the right-hand toolbar. You'll see a section appear here called Waitlist. And this will appear with a few generic functions such as enabling the waitlist or disabling the waitlist. This new improvement can be found here, just below where you would want to select which service this applies to. You'll see a pop-up appear when hovering over the eye that states, when this option is enabled, clients can join a waitlist without paying for the service in advance. If they have a saved credit card, you can choose whether to charge the client automatically for the service when they have been promoted from the waitlist. When the feature to allow clients to join the waitlist unpaid is on, an additional toggle will appear below called Automatically Charge the Client Drop-in Rate Upon Promotion. When enabled, this function will automatically charge the client the drop-in rate. So, if you would like your clients to remain unpaid upon promotion, be sure to move the toggle to off. Just be sure to always hit save at the bottom corner to ensure the adjustment remains. This feature is great for businesses who require prepayment for classes, but can also service businesses who accept payment at the class itself. Please note that if a client has an applicable purchase option and they are added to the waitlist, they will be promoted with a purchase option, regardless of the setting. To charge or not to charge upon promotion is enabled. And that's it for this training video on enabling the new improvement that provides you with the ability to not charge the client after being promoted from the waitlist. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.